Inaabangan na kung sasabak pa rin sa Game 2 ng V-League Final sa linggo ang volleyball superstar na si Alyssa Valdez. Maki-timeout muna tayo kay Mark Zabran.
Back row.
Naging player of the game sa V-League Finals Game 1 si Alyssa Valdez ng PLDT Ultera Ultra Fast Hitters sa laban kontra Philippine Army Lady Troopers itong Sabado. Naglaro pa rin noon si Valdez kahit pinagsabihan na ng Ateneo. Binanggit ng kinatawan ng Ateneo sa UAAP board kung bakit.
We had asked Alyssa not to play in the V-League for obvious reasons. We didn't want to risk any of our players getting injuries because we're pretty close to the UAAP volleyball seasons. That's all we asked, but she opted to play. So after that, I went to see her. Of course, you know, Alyssa being Alyssa, she wants to play, but she doesn't want to play. So she just broke down.
Ang litrato ng pag-iyak ni Valdez ang pagsabihang huwag munang sumabak sa V-League, kumalat pa online. Pero ang sabi ngayon ni Ricky Palou, bilang presidente naman ng Sports Vision na rights holder sa V-League.
We just asked her, don't play because of your injuries. We want you to be really ready for the coming UAAP season. You're going to be doing a lot of hard work during the Christmas break because you're going to Thailand to train.
Ayon sa UAAP rules, kailangan maglaro muna ng 2 years ang isang atleta bago nila payagang maglaro sa commercial leagues. Bagay na nagawa na ni Valdez. Paglilinaw rin ng pamunuan ng UAAP.
As far as I know about the UAAP rules, we do not allow our players to play during the season to another league. Diba? For obvious reasons, yung burnout, yung chances of acquiring injury, we only allow our players, the UAAP, to play if it's the national team requesting for it. At saka, siyempre, meron ding approval ng the university concerned.
Sa V-League Finals Game 2 sa linggo, sasabak ba ulit ang volleyball superstar?
And I think she will play well.
Mark Zambrano, nakatutok, 24 oras.